Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create and how to install the elements into your email. So let's start with creating one of these elements and going over the creation process, and then the next part will be about installing it into your autoresponder. In my case, I'll be using MailChimp, but it's applicable to almost like all autoresponders. Okay, we can start with the personalized autoplay video. When you are creating the video, you will see the live preview, and we will see this once the video is either selected from the library or uploaded. So let's do that now. And here you can see you have live preview. So right now we need to name it. There we go. You can add categories, so you can use categories to navigate through your elements. So you can, for example, name it after what campaigns you want to use them for, or what is the promotion for, or etc. In this case, I use simply selected demo. Here you need to tap on Enable Personalized Text. So you can see that it's showing fname in brackets. You need to change fname for a different for like the personalization tag inside your autoresponder. If you're using it, you probably know how it looks. In case for the MailChimp, which is the autoresponder I'll be using for this showcase, it looks like this. And once you add the personalization, you can type anything in here, but keep in mind that you need to keep it short, because there is not a lot of space for it, like this. Yeah, so right now you can see the live preview, and when it's sent inside the email, you'll see that this will be changed into the first name of the subscriber. You can also select the position, so you can either put it in center, or you can top right, bottom center, wherever you want to. You also have some other options. Let me put it to the bottom. You also have some other options how to personalize this or how to customize this. So you can enable play button. You have multiple buttons to choose from, and you can also select position. Let's go center, and you can also enable the mute button as well. There you go. Now we have all of the things inside there. Okay, and the last thing you need to add is the redirect URL. So like once your subscribers see this in their email, they can tap on it and be redirected wherever you want them. And for best results, I would recommend adding here the link you created before. So like create the link you want to use and put it there from the My Links section. Right now I'll put there just google.com, tap on save. And so once you save it, the element video needs to be processed. So it'll take like a few seconds to minutes. It depends from if you uploaded it, if it was in library, etc. So just tap on OK. And once you see all the elements, you can go back to it. And if it's done, if the live preview is showing, then you can simply tap on copy and either copy the HTML code, or you can copy the autoresponder code, which we will do now. And here you can select the autoresponder you are using. There's many you can use to connect. Once I tap on MailChimp, it's automatically copied successfully. Okay, now what we need to do is simply go to our MailChimp. As you can see, I already created a demo email for this purpose, for testing it. So I just add code block here, and just select all of it and paste over it, and you can see the preview right now. Okay, once you finished, tap on save and close. That's basically how you install it into your emails. Okay, so now that we have created our first element and successfully installed it in our autoresponder, let's go ahead and create some more. So we can play around with, for example, the timer, and again, simply name it. So in our case, again, demo and demo. So you can add anything you want in here. You can select expiry date, so select date and select time. I don't know, like this. And you also need to select the time zone. Like, I don't know, Hawaii would be good. And then you also have the option to edit the text that will be near the timer. So in our case, let's write down. And you also have the option to change the background color and change the text color if you want to. And once you are done, once you selected all those things and you customize the design, simply tap on save. And again, you can either copy the HTML code, you can copy the autoresponder code, or in this case, you can also copy the element preview. So for example, if you would want to use, if you want to paste this into normal email, like for example from Gmail, you can just tap on copy element preview, and let me show you how it looks in Gmail. And so once you are inside your Gmail or any other kind of email account, simply paste it inside and you can see how it looks there. So that's how we can use the timer or some other elements inside Gmail and similar services. Now, if you go back here, into elements, you can also view analytics for this specific element. And once you click on the reports, you will see that for this specific element, we have one click. And since the click wasn't from like a real person, and in that case, I did not fill the email and the first name in my autoresponder, since it was just testing click, it won't show anything here. But if your subscribers click on your element or view your element, you will see that they have here their email and their first name. Then you have some clicks on hourly basis, and you can also view them on a daily basis. And you have some more data below where you can see your browser stats, your platform and device, and you can also view the countries from which the links were made. Okay, so that's it for reports. And that's also it for this amazing tool. I highly recommend using it and playing around with all the elements. And that's it for this walkthrough. So see you in the next one.